Hello, Wasim here doing another video. This time I'm at the Attenborough Nature Reserve. I think this is one of the entrances that I've just passed through the trains, well not train station but past the train track. And as you're about to hear, there's another train coming. Well no, it's your sound of the first train in this video. Okay. I do believe this is Beeston Pond. Yeah, it's the first time I've actually been here. Let's discover what's down here. It's a bit slippy, so I need to be careful. I think this might be the River Trent, I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, if you are thinking of coming here, it's located in Attenborough, Nottinghamshire. So clearing of another huge pond, or river I should say. It is a beautiful sight. Oh, nearly scared the raven over there. Hello. Just looking about, making sure there's nobody about. Probably think, who's this weirdo talking to that bird? No worries. Just getting out of the way of the cyclists as I do my video. Never actually explored this place in great detail before. Beautiful definition of the clouds up ahead, or up above I should say.
Supposed to be, yeah.
Trying hard not to get other people inside the video. Trying hard to get footage of local wildlife. Big wooden barrier, don't know what that's for. Oh, scared off the pigeons. Place where I can sit at least.
And it's just my legs are just fucked.
So what's your story? Is it drive through?
Drive the whole through. Drive through the window.
I have to admit, this is one long path. I'm approaching some gates there, so I think we're going to be approaching some barges that are parked up.
Quite happy to show it off.
Well, if he wouldn't be, he would just take a photo and do it from home.
Okay, so we got the Beeston Marina and Nottingham to the left of us. I don't know if you can see that, but the roadside path to Trent Lock and the Attenborough Nature Centre. Sorry if I'm talking too quietly, but I just don't want other people to think that I'm insane talking to myself on camera. So I'm heading towards Beeston Loch. I've got to said it in the Scottish fashion, Loch instead of Loch. Scene is very inspiring for artists looking to paint. Some more barges. I don't think there's much more to see up ahead apart from houses and the river going further down, so I think we'll go back, head towards Attenborough Centre. I must admit, it is a very peaceful sight, very peaceful scenery. Just heading down this path towards the Attenborough Centre. Yep, nice little notice here. Sorry, I was just waiting for people to pass. Again, I just get a little bit dubious when I speak to my camera and other people just look at me thinking, oh god, what a weirdo. I'd probably think that anyway.
I mean, you can see from minute one that thing was going to bark and snap and snarl.
Just want to do my best to not get in people's way while I film. As the sign said back there, please don't disturb other people's enjoyment of the nature reserve as they walk the path. Stumbled upon this path, approaching this cabin. Just another part of the river. Someone's been kept busy here. Okay, let's go back. My God, it is a long walk toward the Attenborough Centre, or Nature Centre as it's called. Oh, so many tiny flies buzzing around me. I suppose I can't complain because it is a nature reserve. These signs look a lot more clearer. Come across another path. That is beautiful. That is such a beautiful scene. Yep, and the clouds still not very happy either. Okay, let's go back. It's wafting away flies. Back on the path, again towards the Attenborough Nature Centre. What's down here? Oh, I know what's down here, it's the river. Better not travel too deeply, otherwise I'll probably get stuck in the mud. Haven't really come across much wildlife apart from the raven a few minutes ago. Yep, there's plenty of woodlands and a vast river. Some graffiti on the signs done by some vandals. Another one of those, well, two of those wooden barriers. There's an opening here.
Look at that.
Again, trying very hard not to get people in the film. Or video, I should say, not film. And it started to rain. Brilliant. Oh well, a little water wouldn't hurt anybody. Not that I'm going to take a dive in the river. And hear some loud noises up ahead. Sounds like somebody's playing some form of sport, maybe football, more than likely. Well, it stopped raining for about a minute, then now started up again. Yep, thanks to that lovely cloud over there. Everyone's picked up as well. But nevertheless, we'll keep going. So yes, if you would like to visit the Attenborough Nature Reserve, just be warned that the path is very long. So if you're not used to walking, perhaps give it a miss. A much better opening to see the river. Someone's shed. Well, I don't think it's someone's shed, but it belongs to the nature reserve perhaps. Bird migration. I've had a close up on one of the ravens a few minutes ago and scared a few pigeons away. I think we'll take this path.
How well are students using your services at the moment? Just seeing a couple having a very stimulating conversation. Didn't really pay too much attention about it, but never mind. Single seat, just one. Yeah,
As you can tell by my voice, I am getting more and more tired. I was getting tired from the start, to be honest, because I did travel ways to get here. And now the flies are following me. Oh, come across a grey squirrel. Trying to keep as still as possible. Oh, there he is. Oops, scared them off. Oh no, I haven't. Some geese and ducks. Should say swans really, not geese. Sorry about that. Well, at least the rain stopped and the sun's come back out. Take a look at that. That is amazing. And yep, we're going to be approaching a football match soon. So I think I'll conclude the video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.